In today's video, we're going to walk you through a cool Instagram feature, how to add music to your Instagram profile. If you want to spice up your profile and express yourself through your favorite tunes, this feature is just what you need. Let's dive in. First things first, before we get started, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. You'll want the latest version to access all the newest features, including adding a song to your profile. If you haven't updated the app yet, just head to your app store and get that update rolling. Once your app is ready, go ahead and open Instagram. Now, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page, where all the action happens. Next, look for the Edit Profile button right below your bio and profile picture. Tap on Edit Profile to start making changes to your profile settings. Now, as you scroll down, you'll see a new option that says Add Music to Profile. Yep, that's the one we're looking for, so go ahead and tap on it. Instagram will then open a library of songs for you to choose from. This is where the fun begins. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific song that you want to feature on your profile. Whether it's the latest chart topper or a nostalgic classic, pick the song that best fits your vibe. Once you've selected your song, Instagram lets you preview it and drag through the track to pick your favorite part of the song. Maybe it's that epic chorus or a meaningful verse. You get to choose which part of the song will play when people visit your profile. When you're happy with your selection, tap the little OK icon to save it. You'll then see a confirmation screen with the OK button in the upper right corner. Tap that and you're all set. Now go back to your profile and check it out. You'll see the song you chose displayed right under your profile bio, giving your Instagram page that extra flair. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.